Can you believe I created an entire children's story using just one single prompt? After doing tons of research, I discovered an incredible way to make animated kids' story videos without the stress, complexity, or high costs. Normally, you'd have to juggle multiple tools to write a script, generate visuals, animate those visuals, record voiceovers, and edit everything together, not to mention spending over $70 a month on different subscriptions. But today, I'm going to show you a single tool that handles everything in one place. This tool lets you create all kinds of stories: kids' tales, adventure sagas, spooky stories, and so much more. What makes it even better is how it keeps your characters consistent from start to finish. Plus, it allows you to create videos up to 30 minutes long. And yes, these videos are eligible for monetization on YouTube. So stick around until the end of the video, and I'll walk you through exactly how to start making these incredible videos with just a few clicks. The tool we're using today is called Magic Light, and it's a total game changer. With Magic Light, creating story videos becomes super simple. All you need to do is enter a prompt, and it takes care of the rest. First, click the link in the description and sign up with your email. After signing up, you'll land on a dashboard that looks like this. As you can see, the interface is clean and user-friendly, making navigation a breeze. You can even explore stories made by other creators right here. Next, click on Create AI Video. This opens a new workspace that looks like this. Magic Light has integrated the DeepSeek R1 model and advanced AI systems into its platform. This powerful setup helps break down scripts, expand content, generate image prompts, and handle other core functions to give you amazing results. This section right here is where you'll type your prompt or paste a pre-written script if you've already prepared one. For this tutorial, I'm going to keep things simple and use a prompt. To come up with a creative one, I'll use ChatGPT to help brainstorm some fun children's story ideas. Here's how. Go to our Discord server, copy a kid's story prompt from there, and paste it into ChatGPT. Once that's done, ChatGPT will generate 3 fantastic story options. Take your time reading through them, then pick the one you like the most. Copy that story and paste it into the prompt section in Magic Light. After that, choose your desired aspect ratio from the dropdown. For this video, I'll be selecting the landscape format. Then, head over to the language settings and choose your preferred video language. I'll be going with English. Now, it's time to pick a visual style for your video. There are several options: 3D cartoon, Disney, comic, GTA, anime, and more. Choose the one that best fits the tone of your story. For this example, I'm choosing the Disney style design. After selecting your style, hit AI Generate. Magic Light will now create a story script and break it down into scenes. Each scene is paired with one image. So, the longer your script, the more scenes it'll generate. If you want to tweak any of the scenes, just click and type your edits in the editor. You can even divide a single scene into multiple shorter ones if needed. A good rule is to keep each scene about 3 to 4 seconds long to maintain viewer attention. Once you're happy with the layout, click Next. Now you're on the casting page, where you can choose or design the characters for your video. This feature is amazing because it ensures your characters remain visually consistent throughout the story, making the final product look much more professional. Click on Edit Character to begin. You can either select from pre-made characters or create your own. To design a custom character, enter a prompt describing the character's look. I've already prepared a character prompt for you. Just copy and paste it into the ChatGPT Story tab. ChatGPT will analyze the story and provide detailed descriptions for each character, including appearance, clothing, and overall style. Once you have that information, paste it into Magic Light's character prompt box and click Generate Image. The AI will then create your character based on those details. Once it's ready, select it and click Confirm. Repeat this step for each character in your story. After finalizing your characters, hit Next to move on. This brings you to the editor, where you can adjust voiceovers, images, music, and animation. First, you can set the narration speed. I'll keep it at 0.9 for a natural pace. Then, choose your narrator voice. There are several voice options to preview. Just click Audition to hear them. Now, pick the background music for your video. You can adjust its volume to make sure the voiceover is easy to hear. I'm going to lower it slightly for clarity. Scroll down and you'll see the image for each scene. When you select one, you'll also see the matching narration text. You'll also be able to see the prompt that was used to generate each image. If you're not satisfied with how a scene looks, simply click the Regenerate button, and the AI will produce a brand new image for free. Once you're happy with everything, go ahead and click Generate Video. The AI will automatically apply slight movements to each image, turning your scenes into a video. But if you want to go even further, you can upgrade your images into fully animated video scenes. To do that, just click on any scene and hit the Animate button. From there, you'll see a range of animation options. I'm going to select the Animate Pro feature. You can either write a custom prompt for the animation or let the AI do it for you automatically. I'll go with the AI-generated option and click OK to let Magic Light take care of it. The AI will begin animating the image for that scene. Repeat this process for all your scene images. I'm just going to run through each one and convert them into fully animated video clips. Here's how it turned out. As you can see, it looks absolutely incredible. From here, you can preview the voiceover for each individual scene by clicking here. If you'd like, you can even change the voice for each scene to suit different characters or tones. Once everything looks good, hit Generate Video. You'll also have the option to change the aspect ratio at this stage. Next, you can decide whether or not you want to include subtitles in your final video. When everything is set up the way you want it, click OK, and the AI will start assembling your final video, complete with animations, voiceovers, and background music. And here it is, the final product. Pretty cool, right? In the past, making just one animated story took a lot of time and effort. But with Magic Light, the process is simple and streamlined. All you have to do is enter a prompt and then customize everything to your liking. You can also use Magic Light to create all kinds of videos, not just kids' stories. They offer free credits to help you get started with generating your own videos. But if you want to create content more quickly and at a higher quality, I definitely recommend going for a subscription. As you can see, the pricing starts at just $10, which is very affordable. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check out all the details for yourself. And if you ever need help at any point during the process, feel free to join our Discord server or Telegram channel. You'll find all the prompts we use there. Plus, get access to real-time support from our community. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.